Is a process of getting the 9G working visa starting to feel overwhelming? Stay tuned because in this video, we'll explore alternative visa options you may not have considered. Yes, there have been recent changes in the requirements for securing an Alien Employment Permit or AAP from the Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE. These updates include more publications, prerequisites, and added documentation. And we get it. It can feel like a lot to handle. Most foreign business owners here in the Philippines apply for a 9G working visa to legally manage their companies here. It's a valid route, but not the only one. And if the AAP process feels heavy, don't worry. There are other visa options available. Here are some alternatives that you can consider. Spousal-based visas like 13A resident visa, temporary resident visa or TRV, MCL visa for those Chinese national who are married to Filipina, retirement visa or SRRV, perfect for those who want an independent visa, not tied up to a marriage or employment contract. Great for long-term living in the Philippines. Investor or business visas. Depending on your investment size and business structure, you may qualify for visas that allow you to stay and manage your ventures legally. If you still choose to go to the 9G route, here are the general process to follow. Number 1, secure the authority to employ alien or AEA from the Department of Justice. 2, apply for the Alien Employment Permit or AAP from DOLE. 3, once you have both, proceed with your 9G working visa application at the Bureau of Immigration. So, which visa options do you think fits your situation best? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you need help understanding your visa options or navigating the process, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to guide and assist you every step of the way. This is JRC, your every foreigner's guide for visas and real estate in the Philippines. And I'll see you on our next Visa Monday videos. Stay informed and stay legal.